Let's compare, what we've created so far to kind of what this might look like as like a Flutter widget. So you'll see we have like a body. We use this for like opening and closing, whereas in a Flutter app, we are sort of doing it more like JSON, really. The Flutter approach is like a JSON structure versus, or even like a MongoDB structure, whereas HTML is an XML sort of structure, or like an RSS feed as an example, if you're old enough to remember those. Now they still exist. People still use them, right? Okay, so yeah, we have just our body, and then I put children here. In this case, it could be child if we made this up, but there's nothing stopping us from having multiple things in here. So really, children is kind of what we need. And then within the main, there's other children where we have an H1, and I decided like text is going to be the thing that fills it in. That's fine. It could also just be child and then have a text object. Could be like something like this, right? If we were using like a material, text dude. But I'm just trying to, keep this simple. A few things like that. HR doesn't really have any properties. And then the A tag, you'll see we still have the text like we're doing up here to say Google, but we have two other properties, the href and the target. So that's kind of the difference here. They're not really that different. It's just kind of a different way of thinking about things, widget trees and stuff like that.